Hello guys, and welcome back to More About Tech. Today I'm going to bring you an unboxing of a subscription box that I found that's all about discovering new types of gadgets. I'm also going to be having a giveaway of the gadget that I received this month, so stay tuned for details on that giveaway. Check the description box below where I will include instructions on how to join the giveaway. The subscription box that I signed up for is called Gadget Discovery Club. Each month they bring you new cool gadgets. Your first month subscription is half off. It's about $15 with free shipping. And then every month after that is $30 with free shipping. And it says you can cancel anytime. So I went ahead and signed up for the first month just to see what I got. It is pretty cool what I got. Let's jump right into opening it. So the box had my shipping label all across the front, so I don't get to show the cool Gadget Discovery box logo on the front. But this is the box that it came in. This is my first one. I'm not sure if they come in bigger boxes depending on what size they're in. But let's open it up and see what's in there. So this month I have the Rise Mini Boom speaker. This speaker is battery powered, rechargeable, and completely wireless using Bluetooth. It's a little bitty speaker, however it makes a good sound. It has a micro USB charger on the bottom. The power button is also on the bottom. You just hold down the power button and it'll make a sound when it comes on. It also starts to flash blue lights, if you can see that. It makes that sound when a device is connected. My phone has already connected to it, my Samsung Galaxy Note 9. Hello and welcome to More About Tech. In this channel I bring you tips on using your new gadgets, reviews of the latest gadgets, and information on new technology. I've had my Samsung Galaxy. The sound is very loud. It does, when it gets so loud, it does have a bit of a raspy sound, but it's so loud it really needs to be turned down anyway. In the box also comes with a small holder that you can put around the bottom right there, if you can see that. And it also comes with a small micro USB charger. This is what I will be giving away. My box, also for $5 extra, said that I could sign up to get a second small prize. I'm not sure if they do that every month, but I think it was a one-time thing. It came with a RFID blocker, so you're supposed to put this in your wallet or in your bag, and it's supposed to protect your entire bag from anybody trying to snoop and steal your credit card information. It is credit card size. It would fit in your wallet. It's just a tad thicker than probably a regular credit card. I don't really have anything to test it with to know if it works, but I thought it was kind of cool to throw in there for when we go on vacations or something. Just though it says it's supposed to protect your entire bag. Like I said, I will be giving away this speaker. Just check the description box below about when the giveaway starts and how to sign up. Be sure to subscribe and like this video. I also have a link below to the Gadget Discovery Box Club to where you can sign up and get your first month half off. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next video.